Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question 34 of Psalm series. If you have not watched my earlier videos, you can go in the description and watch my earlier video first because that will be useful for you. And before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find arc length, that is part 3 of Psalm series. That link also you will get in the description. So now let's solve today's question. Before that, let me tell you, in our last section we discussed question 33 of Psalm series, that is this question we discussed in our last session. So today we'll discuss question 34. So question is, find the length of the arc of 27y square is equal to 4 into x minus 2 whole cube from points are given from 2 to 0 to 11 to 6 root 3. So these are points. So formula of arc length L is equal to integration from a to b under root of 1 plus dy upon dx whole square into dx. This is the formula of how to find arc length. So let's convert the curve in form of x. So y will be 4x minus 2 whole cube and 27 will go downside and its root, that is equal to here 4 square, so root will get cancelled, so here it will be 2 square, so it will be 2 upon 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27, so 9 will come ahead, so it will be 3 into root 3. When we will do square of 3 root 3 will be 9 into 3 27, and now x minus 2 raised to 3 by 2. So we can write y is equal to 2 upon 3 root 3 into x minus 2 whole raised to 3 by 2. Now let's find dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is equal to, this constant will remain as it is. Take the power ahead, so we get 2 by 3 by 2 into x minus 2, 3 by 2 minus 1 will be 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 will be 1 by 2, and root of, again by using chain rule, x will be 1 only, so it will remain like this. Now solving this, we get 2 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled, 1 upon root 3, x minus 2 whole raised to 1 by 2. Now dy upon dx whole square. So dy upon dx whole square is equal to 1 upon root 3, and squaring this root will get cancelled. So it will be x minus 2. Here its square and its square 1 by 2 into 2. So now add 1 to this term. So dy upon dx whole square plus 1. Let's solve this also. So it will be 1 by 3 into x minus 2 plus 1. So this will, now let's solve this. This is equal to x by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 1, that is equal to x by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 will be plus 1 by 3. This is equal to 1 by 3 into x plus 1. So we get dy upon dx whole square plus 1 is equal to this term. So now L is equal to integration from, limits are from, we have changed this in terms of y, so we will put limit of, we have changed this term in respect to x, so we will put limit of x. Limit of x is 2 to 11, and here it is root of dy upon dx whole square plus 1, we have find this term, so directly put this term. So it's 1 by 3 into x plus 1, that is equal to integration from 2 to 11, and let's take this outside, so it will 1 upon root 3 into x plus 1 whole raised to 1 by 2. Now integrate this term, so we will get L is equal to integration from 2 to 11 1 upon root 3 it's constant, so it will remain as it is. Now integrate this term, so we will get x plus 1 whole raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2 plus 1. So L is equal to 1 upon root 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2. So it 2 will come up and 2 upon 3. So it will be like this, and x plus 1 and limit are from 2 to 11 and 3 by 2 limit are from 2 to 11. So now solve this. So we get L is equal to 2 upon 3 root 3. Put the upper limit, so we get 12 raised to 3 by 2, and upper limit minus lower limit, we will put 2, we will get 3 raised to 3 by 2, that is equal to, so here 2 upon 3 root 3. We know that 12 is equal to 4 into 3. So 4 root 2, 4 root will be 2. So it will be 2 cube into 3 root 3 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 in minus 3 raised to 3 by 2. Now let's take out 3 raised to 3 by 2 common. So 2 upon 3 into 3 root 3 into 3 raised to 3 by 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 2 into 7 into, here 3 cube is, let's write 3 cube and do its root. So what will be this term? We know 3 square will be 9. 9 root will be 3 and root 3 will remain. This will be equal to this. So that is equal to 14, and up down is 3 root 3. 14 into 3 root 3, and below we are having 3 root 3. So final answer, this will get cancelled. So final answer will be 7 into 2, 14. So 14 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for latest video. Thank you.